Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Camp Pendleton South local and long-distance movers near me. Moving with Camp Pendleton South can be challenging, especially if you do it alone. That's where 3 Movers comes in. Our team of experienced movers knows the city like the back of their hand, which means we can help you easily navigate even the busiest streets. Whether you're moving to a new apartment, home, or office, we've got you covered. We offer packing and unpacking services and loading and unloading services. We've got that covered if you need help with packing. Let us know what you need and we'll handle it. At 3 Movers, we believe that communication is vital. That's why Camp Pendleton South local TM Movers will work closely with you throughout the moving process to ensure that everything goes smoothly. We'll update you every step of the way so you'll always know what's happening. Moving out of Camp Pendleton South can be daunting, but with 3 Movers, it doesn't have to be. We specialize in long-distance moves, whether you're moving within California or across the country. Our team of expert movers will help you plan your move from start to finish. We'll provide you with a detailed moving plan, including a timeline and budget, so you'll know exactly what to expect. We also provide packing supplies, including boxes, tape, and bubble wrap to ensure your belongings are packed safely and securely. At 3 Movers, we understand that your belongings are precious to you. That's why Camp Pendleton South long-distance 3 Movers take great care to ensure your belongings arrive at your new home in the same condition as when they left. We use state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to keep your belongings safe and secure during transport. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Camp Pendleton South moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.